Good afternoon, my beloved lovers. I take this opportunity to welcome you to A Moment with Lukwaru channel. Today, I would like to talk about dating. Now, as men, what should be the criteria for you to decide, or which should guide you which lady you should date? So I'm going to talk about the 7 rule for men. 7 rule for men in relationship guidance. It postulates that a man should date a lady who is have his age plus 7 years. That is why it is called the 7 rule for men. If, for example, a man is 20 years, should date a girl of how old? So is 20 times half, that is 10 years. Then plus 7, that will be 17 years. But then that one will tell you that one is not 18 years, that one is a kid. So you should not date someone, a girl of 17 years, is not within the age of majority, and is a child, and is not at a position to make a decision. If a man is 30 years, should date someone who is 15 years plus 7 years. That is 22 years. So using the 7 rule for men, it is very possible for you to know what age of a lady the age a lady should have for you to date. It's a formula which can help you. If one is 60 years, it goes to 37 years, at the end of 37 years. So, thank you very much. I hope you have understood the basic rule, the 7 rule for men. It is very easy to understand. So, a family therapist and a relationship coach, Mutia Lukwaru, have a great afternoon. Thank you.